Sarvangasana, shoulder stand inversion. Please see the benefits, the contraindication listed here. For preparation, you have to do back bends, shoulder opening, psoas muscle opening, and strengthening asanas. First, I will show you how to do it with the wall if you are overweighted or if you are a beginner. And after slowly you can do it without wall as well. So for the wall, bring your hips next to the wall, very close to the wall, lie flat on the floor and slowly touch the floor with your sole and raise your hips. See that your spine and thighs are perpendicular to the wall. Very important that you push forward the psoas muscles and you rotate under the shoulder so the upper arms becomes parallel with each other. Support yourself with your hands the spine. And slowly, when you feel comfortable in this version, then slowly you can lift your leg and release the wall with one leg and the other leg. It's very important that all the time you remain straight in this position. You are not bending at the psoas muscle. It's very important that you activate the back part of your body, so you activate the back of the legs and the back muscles of your body. It's another focus point, and the weight is not on the elbow or the neck, it's on the shoulders. You can do a variation like I do here in the video. It's a hip opening but also a hip strengthening exercise. One leg you straighten and the other leg you pushing away the wall. You can do a variation where you place a blanket between your thighs, heels remaining on the wall or with the legs straight, and you can stay in this position for 2-3 minutes. It's very good for the inner thighs. It brings back the energy to the inner thighs. For those who have a stiff neck or shoulders or any problem in the spine, they can practice it with a blanket below the shoulders and the elbows. So the neck is not on the blanket, the neck is released and only the shoulders and the elbows are on the blanket. Another version, when you make a loop, a very tight loop, and you place it on your feet, on the ball of the feet. There is only like 2 centimeter distance between the legs, so the loop should be very tight. You come up to Sarvangasana and with the help of the loop, you aligning your leg. Or another version can be when you place a blanket to your sole. This really shows you how to align your legs well and how to improve the intelligence of your legs. Now I would like to show you another version against the wall, which really gives big strength to the whole body. You can place one leg and the other leg on the wall while you are in a distance approximately 1 meter apart from the wall. You have to arch your spine all the time, raise your hip and support back with your hands. In this variation, it really shows you the energy lines in the body, and after a while you can come back to Sarvangasana. You can do dynamically as well. Now in the next few minutes I show you several variations and you can practice it according to your level. You can do Sarvangasana without hands, or you can place the hands on your thighs as well if it feels comfortable. And I will show you several other variations which you can practice according to your practice level. The most important that when you are once in Sarvangasana, then you should keep the position at least for 5 minutes at intermediate level. In this way, it will have a great effect to the hormonal system, to the nerve system, and for many other parts of your body, especially to the internal organs. As it's in an inversion, it will help. It will help if you have a little bit of dislocation or prolapse of internal organs. Then it will help with placing back the internal organs to their original places. Now let's see the focus points in Sarvangasana. It's very important that the weight should be on your shoulder and the back of the neck should be released and relaxed. Push the sternum close to the cheek and see that you're engaging the whole backside of your body. So engaging equally the front part and the back part of the body. It's also important that you align the inner thighs, the inner knees, and you pushing up through the ball and through the heel of your feet. After a while, Sarvangasana will become as a restorative position. You can stay for a long time without any stress. It's very important then in every asana to breathe equally, smoothly in the position. So try to observe your breath for a few minutes as well.